Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss CD file part 7. So let's start this video. Ocean of the world. There are 5 oceans. Largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean area 165,712,740 square kilometer. The area of Pacific Ocean. Second, the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean area 82,963,800 square kilometer. Area of Atlantic Ocean. Third one, Indian Ocean 73,425,500 square kilometer. Area of Indian Ocean. Antarctica Ocean area 14,056,000 square kilometer. And fifth one, the Arctic Ocean. Next is the biggest country of the world according to the area wise. According to the area wise, biggest country in the world, Russia. First biggest country, Russia. Second, Canada. Third, China. Fourth, USA. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Australia. Seventh, India. Eighth, Argentina. 9, Kazakhstan, or 10, Sudan. Means according to the area wise biggest country in the world. I repeat again. First, Russia. Second, Canada. Third, China. Fourth, USA. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Australia. Seventh, India. Eighth, Argentina. 9, Kazakhstan, or 10, Sudan. According to area wise, India 7th position, but in a population 2nd position. According to the area wise, India 7th position, but in a population 2nd position after China. China first position in population and 3rd position according to area wise. Smallest country of the world according to area wise. First, Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country of the world. Second, Monaco. Third, Nauru. Fourth, Tuvalu. Fifth, San Marino. Sixth, Liechtenstein. Seventh, Marshall Island. Eighth, Seychelles. 9th, Maldives. 10th, St. Kitts and Nevis. All these the smallest country in the world, and first smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Most populous country. First country, China. Population 1,373,541,278. The population of China. Second number, India. India population 1,276,883,598. The population of India. All these are international value. Third position, United States. United States 323,995,528. Population of United States. Fourth rank, Indonesia. Indonesia population 258,316,051. The population of Indonesia. Rank 5, Brazil. Brazil population 205,823,665. Brazil population. 6th position, Pakistan. Pakistan population 201,995,540. Population of Pakistan. 7th rank, Nigeria. Nigeria population 186,053,386. Population of Nigeria. Rank according 8th position, Bangladesh. Bangladesh population 156,186,882. Population of Bangladesh. 9th, Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world according to area wise, but in a population 9th position. And India here 7th position according to area wise, in a population 2nd position. Russia population 142,355,415. Population of Russia. 10th, Japan. Japan population 126,702,133. Population of Japan. I repeat again the country name according to population. First position, China. First populous country, China. Second populous country, India. Third, United States. Fourth populous, Indonesia. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Pakistan. Seventh, Nigeria. Eighth, Bangladesh. Ninth, Russia. And 10th, Japan. Means all these countries according to the most populous country, and biggest country Russia, and population here 9th position, and China is 3rd position in area wise, but here first position in populous country. India is 2nd position populous country, but according to the area wise 7th position. India population according to 2011, in upcoming 2021 next population elected, then maybe India increase and first position achieve maybe in 2021. So here all the most populous country, and in this video we will discuss also smallest country, biggest country, ocean. Each and every student learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.